Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Clipboard management on the iPhone and iPad has never been great. However, today I'm going to show you an application that I use myself that solves a lot of problems for me when I'm using those devices. OneTap allows you to store text, images, URLs and document links for quick pasting into applications via the keyboard. It's really useful. There's an awful lot to it and I want to fit everything into a tip video today. So let's get to it. Okay, in the App Store, this is the application. It's called Keyboard Shortcuts OneTap because OneTap is quite a popular name. I'll open and we have our welcome screen. So all of this I'm going to be covering today. So I'll tap next. Now, when you install it for the first time, you're going to be guided here on how to enable OneTap. But because I've had it on this device already, it's bypassed that step. So I will show you how to enable OneTap in a second. For now, though, the pricing, don't be put off by this screen here. You don't have to pay $34.99, although, of course, you can. It's free to use, but the functionality is restricted. And I'll be showing you the paid version today. And if you tap other options here, you can see that there is a monthly price as well as an annual one. And of course, the lifetime one on the end. Now, as I've already purchased this, I'm going to tap to restore. And if I close now, I'm in OneTap. Now, I need to enable the keyboard functionality for OneTap. So here in settings, I'm going to search. And as I've recently searched for keyboards, it does actually appear down here. So I'll tap this. I'll come up to keyboards. And our OneTap keyboard is here. I need to flick this toggle to give it full access. Then tap allow here. And now I'm ready to use OneTap.